Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel Multiverse Studio. My name is Babai and you are watching fast and easy tutorials. In this segment I make editing tutorials in a way so that you can understand it better. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to glow 3D objects in Element 3D in After Effects. So let's jump into the video. Here I'm going to open the After Effects panel, creating a new composition of 10 seconds, and the resolution of the composition is 1920 by 1080 and the FPS is 24. So now let me make a new solid. I'll prefer black and put the Element 3D in this solid. In the scene setup, I am using Video Copilot's Motion Design 2 pack and this model. Let me make it bigger, and here you can see there are two textures, two materials. One is light, another is normal whatever color. In the illumination I'm going to change the color. You can change the color from illumination, you can make it any color. I'm going to make it red, slightly darker red like this, and also I'm going to change the other color of this model. I will prefer to use chrome color like this, which looks good. Now click OK. Here is it. So in this tutorial, first I'm going to show you how to make it glow, and then I'm going to animate it so that it looks better. I need to go inside the scene setup so that I can change the auxiliary mode to channel 1, and now let me rotate this thing a bit so that I can show you in a proper way. Now to make the glow effect you need to duplicate this layer, and on the duplicate layer go to the render settings and click the enable glow option, close it. Now click the drop down menu of the output option, and in the show from composite you need to select illumination, and that's it. Now you can see only the illuminated parts are visible right now. So we need to enhance this light. For that I'm going to use a plugin which is created by Plugin Everything, and it's known as Deep Glow. I love it and I use this plugin in various different projects. And not only that, I have created some more glow presets which I will be using in this tutorial, and also I will give these presets in this description. You can check the description to download it absolutely free. And please consider subscribing my channel so that you will never miss this kind of videos after when you enable the bell notification. So now it's done, and here I am pasting my own keyframes to fill the space. Everything is done. Now what you need to do is click the duplicated layer and change the mode from normal to screen, and it will look something like this. The focus of this tutorial was to show you how to glow the object. So I hope you like this video, and if you do, please drop a like, and if you have any query, please let me know in my comment. Now I'm going to animate it, and I'm going to show you how it looks after the animation is done. A pro tip for all of you: it is wise to make the animation first, then you duplicate the animated layer and do this method to enable the glow of your model. If you do the glow first, then you need to apply the animation in both of the layers, which will be hectic for you. You can use this method in any model that has a light material in it. If you do not have the Motion Design 2 models, don't worry, you can still use this technique in the bulb or the torch model which is inbuilt in the Element 3D. Also, it's possible to do this method in a object which does not have any light in it, but in that scenario the whole object will glow instead of glowing some part of it. So this is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please drop a like, and if you are new to my channel, I request you to subscribe my channel and enable the notification bell so that you will never miss this kind of videos. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Have a great time. Bye.